Welcome back to Get to Know Animal. And now we're gonna learn about the Ice Age characters. So let's see how they looks like in real life. Today we have 6 animals we're gonna talk about. And the first one is Manfred. He is a woolly mammoth. This is how he looks like in real life. Let's see who's next. The spinner wheel will decide. And the second is Buck. He is a weassel. And this is how he looks like in real life. Looking for the third one. It's an opossum. This is how they looks like in real life. The last 3 remaining. Let's see who's out now. Diego. He is a Saber-Toothed Cat. This is how they looks like in real life. And the last 2. Oh wait, it's Scrat. He is a Saber-Toothed Squirrel. And this is how he looks like in real life. No doubt, the last one should probably be Sid. Yeah, it is. And he is a sloth. And this is how he looks like in real life. And that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy it and see you in the next video.